But first, I do want to give a huge thank you to MSBLUE for sending me over some gifts. They asked me to try some of their new jewelry from their latest collection, and I said yes. You guys know I've been going through a hard time last year, and when their email came, it just made me feel so much joy. So I want to show you some of the things that I received from them. It did take a while. I'm going to tell you about it. But yes, this is a small business. They make jewelry from lab-grown diamonds, moissanite, gemstones, things like that. And it's customizable. So you go on their website and you could pick whatever you want, right? But you have your choice of setting. So the first piece that I got was this. It's my favorite thing right now. It's a heart-shaped engagement ring, I believe. I will see if I can pull it up on the screen, but it's from their latest collection. I got this in a size 6 and it's the perfect fit. I'm used to ordering my rings in a size 7, but now things like my wedding ring, things like that, they don't fit me at all. They stay on, but it's a little risky. So something told me to size down. I didn't know if I should do 5.5, but I did get a 6. It fits me well enough to where it stops at my knuckle, but I can pull it off easily, put it on easy. So I'm happy that I did go ahead and size down a full size and not a size and a half, because I think this is like the true size of my, I guess, my wedding finger, whatever you call it, my ring finger. But I got this in the white gold with moissanite heart, and I love it. I wear a lot of moissanite. I don't know why I love it so much. I love it more than diamonds. It can get confused with a diamond at first glance, but the moissanite reflects a more rainbow like hue to it. I do have a necklace that I always wear. You guys see this necklace all the time. This is made from moissanite. Somebody asked me if I think my mom thought I got a diamond necklace. But I told her I didn't really answer her, but I thought it was funny that she thought I would do that. But this is moissanite. I love it. It's just like, I don't know what it is about it, but I like the colorful look to it. It's very unexpected. But you got it in the heart-shaped moissanite engagement ring. I think it's called the engagement ring. I really love this. What I like the most about it is it has a bit of a weight to it. So the band is like, it's not one of those thinner bands. I do have moissanite rings that have like a thinner band, and the ring is more of a lightweight ring. This one has a little bit more weight to it, but it's not like weird weight on your finger. This is the kind of thing that I love to wear. And this is very special to me right now. It's my favorite thing. I've been wearing it ever since. Next, I got my Huggy hoops. Every video, you see me wearing Huggy hoops all the time. My favorite, it's my go-to thing. I sleep in it. I live my life in the Huggy hoop. So I did get another pair. I think my biggest regret about asking for these, I should have got this in white gold also. I think that's the main thing. I always like the way gold looks on my skin. That's what I asked for. I asked for the gold version of it. I always like the way gold looked up against my skin, especially up towards my face. But I think this time, because I have 2 other pairs of Huggy hoops, one is the one that I usually wear, which is a gold hoop with the freshwater pearl dangling. And then I have another one that was the exact same thing. I think the hoop was just bigger, but it also had freshwater pearl. I've since lost that one. So I did want to get another pair of Huggy hoops. So when I saw these, I was like, yeah, that's perfect. This one has the diamond hanging, and it's smaller than my freshwater pearl one, but it's still very elegant. I love the way it looks on me. And I especially love the clasp on this one more so than the clasp that I have on my Huggy hoops. I think they're called the Charlotte hoops from Suzanne. I like this way better than that one because I always have trouble getting my Suzanne ones on and off. And I didn't want to compare the two, but this one, if you can look, the dangle part, right? It's stationary. All of my Huggy hoops, this part will slide around. So that was my main issue. When I would take my Huggy hoop off, the freshwater pearl would just fall off and I would be looking for it. This one, I don't have to worry about it because it is into the actual ring. So I can take it on and off with ease and I don't have to search around for this little diamond thing on my floor. So that was the main driver. I switched them out. This is the ones I'll be wearing for the time being. I just really wanted to give a big thank you